can't see her. I can't see her with you crawling on top of her. That's a little girl right there with the white collar. She's trying to play with everybody right now. Her sister says, I don't want to wake up. You can kind of see the tan on her eyebrows. And on the front of her legs there. You want to come over here and play with your brothers? Yeah, here she goes. Yes, that's her doing a little growl. That's her little playful growl. That's the little boy now doing it. I think she was doing it a second ago. Oh, she's going potty. Hey there, little boys. He just went potty on the potty pad. Yes, he did. Oh, goodness.